Welcome to the Chronicles of Mr. Threat Intelligence.
Hey team, I'm Cyber Owl, and today we're taking down hackers like this guy. Meet Mr. Creep. He's after your passwords, your games, and your social media. Let's stop him in 3. Phishing scams are fake messages trying to trick you. Watch out for these red flags, weird links, typos, and free stuff. When you see Mr. Creep's traps, smash delete. No freebies are worth your safety. Okay, champ?
These kids are so stupid. I am the best hacker-known creep on this planet. Untouchable. Who will stop me? The Ministry of Cyber. United Cyber Nations? International Cyber Criminal Court? Where is their hero, Cyber Owl? Cyber Owl.
Did some cyber creep just call my name? Cyber Superman is here. Pick on someone your own size. Old man.
Mr. Creep is down. For now. But hackers never quit. And neither do we. Phishing links used in cybercrime are deceptive links designed to trick users into revealing personal information. Stay more wary of the likes of Mr. Creep